I'm Kathy from Dimensional Insight, here to help you get the most out of your analytics investment. When you're using our ProDiver Advanced Analytics solution, there will be times that you'd like to perform calculations with the data in multiple columns. How do you do that? Here to explain is Alyssa Mintz from our Education Department. Alyssa?
In this demonstration, you'll learn how to create a new column that performs a calculation with the data in one or more existing columns. Let's say you're a wine and beverage distributor, and you use ProDiver to track costs and revenue on a quarterly basis. And let's say that now, in addition to costs and revenue, you'd like to track your profits from quarter to quarter. To calculate your profit, you need to subtract cost from revenue. You can create a new column that does that calculation for you and displays the results in the dive window. We'll begin creating our new profit column by double-clicking the blank header above the blank column next to the revenue column. The Add Column dialog box appears on the screen. At the top of the dialog box is a place to enter a name for our column, so we'll enter the name Profit. Next, in the definition box, we'll enter the formula for the calculation we want ProDiver to perform in our new profit column. We want ProDiver to subtract the values in the cost column from the values in the revenue column for each row of data, so we'll build the formula revenue minus cost in the definition box. We'll do this by clicking the relevant column names and arithmetic operators. ProDiver creates our formula for us in the definition box. Now we can click OK to add the column to the dive window. ProDiver adds the profit column to our dive window and populates the column with the results of its calculations. So for example, for 2016 Q3, ProDiver subtracted cost from revenue to get a profit of $5,583,002. Notice that all the numbers in the profit column include decimal places. Let's remove the decimal places so that the appearance of the profit column matches the appearance of the other columns. We'll start by double-clicking the column name Profit. The Edit Column dialog box now appears on the screen. In this dialog box, we can modify any of the settings we chose for our original column. We'll go to the Options tab to change the setting for decimal places. Under Format, there's a place to change the format of numbers by changing the number of decimal places displayed in the column. We want 0 decimal places, so we'll choose 0 from the drop-down list of decimal place options. ProDiver removes the decimal places from the entries in the profit column and rounds the numbers up or down. Other things to note: you can remove a column from view by selecting the column name and then pressing Delete. To remove the column permanently, select the command Data Edit Columns, highlight the column name, and click Delete. So that's how you perform calculations with your data. You create a new column for the calculations by double-clicking the blank heading above a blank column, enter a name for the column, enter a formula for the calculation you want ProDiver to perform in that column, and click OK.
Thanks, Alyssa. Please give us a like and hit subscribe to find out when we release new videos. Also, we'd love to know what you found most useful. Let us know in the comments. See you next time.